Okay guys, we're gonna be working this time in a North Star generator, and this will be the GX390 Honda with 8,000 uh, watts, I think it is. Well, the North Star 8,000. So problem here, everything is working properly. As you can see, here. So this is my full power switch, and the problem here is that that switch is broke. So now it's stuck only in 120 volts, and the problem is when I try to hook it up to my house to power the house in case of an emergency, or it doesn't power the house because it's not in 240 volts, which will be the full power switch. So we want to be replacing this. We're going to have to remove some bolts. We're going to be using 4 millimeter, and we're going to remove this bolt here, one here, all the big ones, 4 millimeter. One on the bottom, one over here, and we can have one of these magnet plates where you can put your bolts there. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be removing there, and let's see how it's right there in the back. So once you remove the bolt, this thing is just gonna come out loose. You're gonna need to remove this one, since this is the one that goes to the full power switch. That's the one we're gonna need to remove. So like I said, we're gonna be working in this piece right here, and you can see right there, here's the lock. So you just have to push it backwards, and pull it out. There it is. And this is the switch, or part of the switch that broke. Okay, so this one goes in here, and this part is the one that is broke, and you can see it right there. Okay, now like I said, this is the part that is broken. Let me see there. So here you're supposed to have a little how do you call, a little part where you can grab it and turn it, you know. So this part should be out there in the front, should be in the front of the board. The thing that I'm just need this generator for for an emergency, you know. I live in Texas, and we all know what happened in Texas in 2021. We were in a blackout for like 3 days after the winter storm, so it was really bad. So I decided to install a interlock. I think it's called interlock, in my house and get a generator. This generator is used, but it's a good generator, so it can help me to power my house in case of an emergency, or if we get another blackout over here. But I'm explaining this because I'm only using this generator for that purpose. So I'm not using the generator for anything else, just for that purpose, just in case we get another blackout here in my hometown. So uh, here here in my city. So what I'm gonna do, um, this fan, I'm just gonna turn it to full power with a piece of pliers. There is 120 and there is for 240 volts. Okay, right there, 240. So we just turn it, and I'm not gonna look for this specific switch, uh, because I've been asking where they sell these generators, and they don't sell these parts, so I have to look for it in eBay or Amazon, and I don't really have the time to be looking for this little piece. So for me it works just to turn it by hand here now, and just leave it like that. I will set up for in case I need this generator in the future. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna put it back and put everything back together. So in here, let's see, we're gonna put it there. And lock it. Turn it so it can lock. There you go. And let's put it back. Put the board back. Okay, now let's take a look and see if this is working properly. This is only if you're gonna use your generator to power your house, because if you do, you're gonna need always the 240 volt uh, switch there, and well, yeah, because you need to connect your power line here to your house,